Good morning, Black America. Grand Rising, beloved. I'm Crypto Stock Markets, and I'm here to turn digital sense into generational sense. Okay, y'all, just 48 hours ago, people were calling this the bottom. Bitcoin pushing back up, charts turning green, sentiment flipping fast. And what did I tell you, family? Don't get caught up in the bull trap, because this right here, this is not how a real bull market starts. Now, here's the part people not paying attention to. Bitcoin didn't just randomly decide to move. This move came right as headlines started dropping about easing Iran oil sanctions. Oil starts reacting, market starts reacting, liquidity expectations start shifting, and all of a sudden crypto looks strong again. But let me slow this down so we understand what's really happening. You don't get a clean, sustainable bull run while inflation is still sticky, oil is still unstable, and the Fed is still holding pressure on the system. All that is confusion, and confusion is where people get trapped. Now, remember what I said yesterday. We are still operating inside a cycle. Bitcoin moves in 4-year cycle, and historically, that bear pressure shows up about 15 to 18 months before the halving. That's where the volatility comes from. That's where the fake outs come from. So when you see price moving up, that does not automatically mean the market is safe. It means something is shifting. And right now, what's shifting is not strength, it's positioning. Because what they're doing is rotating money. They rotate out of oil into Bitcoin. Then they rotate out of Bitcoin back into oil. They're not committing, they're moving. And when money is moving like that, fast, back and forth, that means the system is still uncertain. Now check this out. If this was a real bull run, altcoins will be moving too. But what are we seeing? Altcoin volume is down 80%. Let me say that again, 80%. That is not bull market behavior. In a real expansion, money spreads. Bitcoin moves first, then Ethereum, then altcoins start running. They start taking off. But right now, money is staying concentrated. That tells you everything you need to know. This is selective movement, not full confidence. If this was a real bull run, altcoins will be running. Money doesn't just sit in one place in a true expansion, it spreads. The fact that altcoins are down 80% in volume tells you everything. This is selective movement, not market-wide confidence. And at the same time, you got new risks popping up. Now we got reports of malware targeting crypto apps on iPhones that haven't been updated. So now retail is dealing with two problems at once: market uncertainty and security risk. That's not the environment where smart money is going all in. That's the environment where smart money is careful, calculated, strategic. And that's what you need to be right now, because the system always leaves clues. And the clues right now are telling you this. This is not a full green light. This is a setup. So here's what I want you watching going into the weekend. Watch if Bitcoin can actually hold that 70K range, or if it starts slipping a little bit back down. Watch oil prices, because oil is tied to liquidity expectations for sure. Watch altcoin volume, because until that comes back, this is not real expansion. And most importantly, watch the Fed, because until policy actually shifts, everything you're seeing right now can reverse just as fast as it came. So don't get emotional, don't chase green candles, and don't let a temporary move trick you into thinking the whole market changed overnight, because it didn't. This is money being rotated, not money being committed. And that's the difference between people who build wealth and people who get caught in traps. Take care, loved ones. I'm Crypto Stock Markets, and I'll get up with y'all on Monday.